athletes, you made it, part 4. All right, if you haven't got any relief yet, don't worry, I got you. This is founder Aba Baba, 3-in-1 Elite, and author of Feel Your Performance. All right, so we're working on office athletes' wrist, elbow, low back, and squinting issues. All right, so 2 of my last drills of our 8 in this 4-part series. We're going to hit some low back mobility, but your low back communicates a lot with your upper back, and might as well hit the middle back while we're at it. So again, keep that main concept. We're improving input to produce better output. Your output is your pain right now. So we're going to do that with these drills. Again, make sure you have an assessment before. Rate that assessment. I have pain when my pain is a 6 out of 10 when I touch, or it could be just the distance, right? And just how overall feels discomfort. It doesn't matter. We just want to make sure you get better. All right. So find your assessment, do your assessment, and then as always, we're going to start with sensory input. I'll do the back since we're doing the back. I'm going to rub that skin above and below and on it. You can use your hand, you can use phone, whatever. All right, then reassess. If that didn't help, we'll go right into this anterior posterior glide of the back. All right, I'm going to start with the upper back. All right, I'm going to envision I'm kind of pumping my chest from the top here, from my sternum, and then I'm going to push back with my upper back. Again, forward, backward. My shoulders will go along for the ride, but I'm not making this happen from my shoulders. It's my upper back making it happen. All right, and I'm going to cue it with my breaths as well. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. So you're exploring how far forward, how far backward you can go. Now I'm going to do the middle. I'm going to make my shirt tighter so you can see the difference here. So I'm going to go middle back, pump that kind of upper belly now, and back. Breathe in, forward, backward, forward, backward. So I'm really trying not to move my upper back. Make that happen. Awesome. Assess and reassess after each one of these. Now onto the lower back, okay? This is that good little twerk session here. Yep. There you go. Low back, arch, tuck butt. Notice I'm not using any of my middle or lower back or upper back to make that happen. Breaths. Forward, backward. Cool. Then reassess, see how that feels. My back feels way less tight with that one, so that was cool. Awesome. So if that didn't help, we could go into some vision. All right, and this will help with the squinting at the screen. What happens is these screens that we're looking at all day, every day, you got blue light coming in, which is designed to keep us more alert and awake, and they can also increase frontal lobe activity, overall draining you out. So you might want to get a pair of blue blocking glasses to help decrease some of that blue light load. You've got flux.com, f.lux, I believe, Luxx, can take away the blue light from your computer, or you have night shift mode on your phone, whatever. So that might help. But your eye muscles, they're meant to move. We have 6 muscles in our eyes, 6 extraocular muscles. So when we stare at a screen all day, you're using your eye muscles overall less. So overall, maybe your eyes just needs a little strengthening. So I got a pen here, and what I'm going to do is stare at the tip of that pen. And this is how well I see a target far. And I'm going to bring this in, and how well I see it near. And those are muscles and cranial nerves that are responsible for that. I do not want this pen, the tip of this pen, the object splitting or seeing double. So if you do see that, just back it up until you don't. But explore how far in you can get. So this is called a pencil push-up. The whole point is my eyes turning in and my eyes going out when the object goes out. Get about 10 reps. Breathe. Stay tall as we do these. And this might reduce your squinting at the screen because now you've actually worked out those muscles. They're not getting as fatigued. They're getting stronger. Real big correlation with low back as well. So, try that out. I feel even better now. So awesome. Thanks for, checking out my video, and hopefully these drills transformed your performance. And let me know if you have any questions from there. I hope everyone feels amazing after all this and has learned a thing or two.